In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move deals across stages in Freshsales. Keeping your pipeline up to date is one of the simplest ways to improve forecast accuracy and team visibility, and it only takes a few seconds. To begin, open Freshsales and navigate to Deals. From there, switch to the pipeline view. The pipeline displays your deals as cards organized into columns, each column representing a stage in your sales process, like qualification, proposal, or won. Seeing everything laid out visually makes it easy to understand where each opportunity stands and what needs attention next. Now find the deal you want to move. You can scan the columns, or if you have a lot of records, use the search bar or column filters to narrow things down by owner, amount, or expected close date. When you've located the right card, take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account and deal value so you don't move the wrong one. With the card identified, click and hold it, then drag it to the destination stage. As you drag, you'll notice the target column highlight to confirm you're in the right place. Release the mouse to drop the deal into that stage. You should immediately see the card appear under the new column, and the stage label on the deal will update accordingly. Behind the scenes, moving a deal updates your pipeline metrics and may trigger any stage-based automations your team has set up, things like reminders, task templates, or probability changes. That's normal and helps keep your workflow consistent. If you can't drag a card or you see a message blocking the move, it may be due to user permissions or required fields your admin has configured for that stage. A quick best practice: move deals as soon as a meaningful milestone is reached. Timely updates help your reports reflect reality, prevent surprises late in the quarter, and make handoffs between team members smoother. If you collaborate with others, many teams also note stage changes in internal comments so everyone stays aligned. And that's all there is to it. Go to Deals and Pipeline View, locate the deal, and use drag and drop to place it in the correct stage. Keeping this habit will make your pipeline cleaner, your forecasts sharper, and your team more focused on the right next actions. Thanks for watching, and keep your deals moving to keep momentum strong.